How to download and install Alight Motion app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for Alight Motion. As you find the application, you can just tap on install, and as you can see on the screen, I've already installed the application. So you can tap on open, and it will land you to the home page of the Alight Motion application on your Android device. So you just have to wait and have a little patience while it loads on your device. So make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi network over here, and if your Wi-Fi network is not very stable, you can switch to a cellular data as well. After that, you tap on accept all and continue, and then tap on get started. Now, as you tap on get started, you can either try your luck by playing now, or you can just skip it. Now you can unlock all the premium features of Alight Motion for free for 7 days. So you can just tap on play now and you can play to win, and then you'll be able to create an account over here. So as you do that, you can tap on continue, or you can just make a cross mark over here and tap on start free trial. So to start the free trial, make sure that you add the credit or debit card and ensure your card numbers and your issues, login credentials, and then you'll be able to use the Alight Motion app on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.